Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to submit a claim on HealthEquity. If you paid out the pocket for a medical expense and need to get reimbursed, this video is for you. First, open the HealthEquity app, log in using your username and password. Once logged in, tap Claim or Reimbursement. This is where you submit request to get your money back. Tap Submit a claim or File a claim. Choose the type of account you are using like HSA, FSA, HRA. Now enter the information for your expenses. Provide or store name, date of service, amount paid, type of medical expenses. Make sure everything matches your receipt. Take a clear photo of your receipt and upload a file. Your receipt must show date, amount, description of the service. This step is very important. After that, tap submit. You can track your claim status in the app under claim. Approved claims are usually reimbursed within few business days. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.